So we have one specific question here, which is division of decimals. Even though it's not exactly the part of number systems, but we can still consider it in the chapter number system, and we can try to solve this. So whenever there are uh, division like this kind of numbers, like 25.7 divided by 1.25. So this is not something difficult, and if you don't want to waste your time manually finding the answer for this, in our GRE, GMAT, or CAT exam, we have a calculator, which is not really scientific, but the regular calculator, and that calculator can easily solve this specific division. Apart from that, if we have to do it manually, I will show you how you can do it quickly. There might be a better options to solve this. I will show you how I will attempt to solve this. So on the numerator, I see there is a decimal point here and there is a one number after that. But on the denominator, after decimal points, we have two numbers. So in that case, I will go with the more numbers after decimal points, and then I will decide it should be multiplied with 100. So two zeros because maximum two numbers. Doing so, we can remove this decimal points. How? 1.25 multiplied by 100 is equal to 125. So this is what we are trying to achieve. Similarly, let's perform this calculation here. So multiply by 100 divided by 1.25 multiply by 100. So answer we will have is 2570 divided by 125. I hope we understand this because we are multiplying 100 with 25.7 and this 100 with 1.25. Now, moving forward, with my experience, I can easily see 125 when we multiply it by 10, it will be 1250. But at the same time, 125, if I multiply it by 2, it becomes 250. And when 250 is multiplied by 10, it becomes 2500. And when I see 2500, I will come back and have a look at this numerator, which is 70 more than 2500. So, from my experience, I can say 2570, when we have to divide it with 125, and we already have 2 and 10, so 125 multiplied by 2 gives us 250, and 250 multiplied by 10 gives us 2500. So 125 multiplied by 20 will give us 2500. 120 times 500, then remainder will be 70. Once we have remainder as 70, which is smaller than 125, we can add decimal point here and add one extra zero at the back of 70, which is this. Now, as we have 700 here, we need to find multiple of 125, which will be divisible by 700. So in the easiest way, we can see if 125 is multiplied by 6, so what will be the answer? So this kind of calculations, I will say, we don't actually need to perform it manually. You can just calculate it in your mind and do it. How to do it? Now 125 multiplied by 6, so 125 means 125 is equal to 100 plus 25. So this kind of calculations we can do, like 6 multiplied by 100, which is 600, plus 25 multiplied by 6, which is 150. So answer will be 750. Now this 750 is beyond the value of 700 which we needed for the division. So we cannot perform this calculation. So easiest way, if we can just perform this calculation inside our mind, we can get that number like division, or so multiplication value of 6 is beyond the value of 700. So what we need, 125 multiplied by 5. So when we do 125 multiplied by 5, so 100 multiplied by 5 is 500, plus 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. So value will be 625. Okay, so 5 and this will be 625, and then again we have 75 as remainder. Then we can add one more zero to this, and now we know 125 can be divisible by 750. So 6. So answer for this will be 20.56. Let me know what you don't understand about this calculation, and we can actually go and perform this again. Right now it looks very lengthy calculation, but it's more explanation like this specific steps. We don't even need to perform that manually. We can straight jump to this step, and then all following calculation can be done just in the mind. It's all can be done only after the practice. One more suggestion I would like to give you. The numbers provided here are not difficult. At the same time, it was not even easy. It can be even easier for anyone to just go and use calculator for this and save time and energy. Thank you.